Let's begin taking a deep breath. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Good. Let's open up our legs and just do a couple of circles here to begin warming up. Four more. Keep your breath going deep. Last one, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Legs together. Let's begin bending down and just hold it here. And bend a little deeper. And up. To the side. Bring one foot back. Bend a little. Just hold it. And bend a little deeper. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side, same thing. Hold it here. Just a little bend. Bend deeper. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go deep inhale. And let's begin with little circles here. There are 2 mummies. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we'll go around. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Deep breath again. And let's just start with Tahiti Tamau, side to side. Breathe deep. We're gonna do a little exercise here to warm up our hands. Just bring your arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good deep breath. Now we're gonna do with hands to our lips and out to the front as we do here our hips 4 counts. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're gonna be walking those Tahiti Tamau to the front in 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Let's add the hands when we walk forward and keep them here as we walk back. 3 times back to back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's practice the toma toma, double bump to one side. Boom, boom. Other side. Doom, doom, and go. Boom, 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 boom. Toma, 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 toma. Toma, 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 toma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's walk it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3. Let's add hands to the hip that we're going. Arm up. And we switch. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, going back, 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, going back, 1, 2, 3, 4, again, forward, 2, 3, 4, back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Shake your legs a little, deep breath. Okay, we're gonna put it together with 4 counts of this single Tahiti bump, and then we go back, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double, 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 double. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double, 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 double. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Double, 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 double. Take a deep breath. Now we're gonna add a little bit of an angle as we go back on our toma toma. Just a little bit of an angle. So instead of being everything forward, we're adding that little angle going back. Make sure that your hand, your arm is straight and the other one is relaxed. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 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 front. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 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 back. Shake those legs. Deep inhale. And we're gonna continue with our tumami. So tumami to this side. If we're gonna be turning this way. So your tumami also needs to go to that way. And we're gonna be doing here in place, just in place first. 1, and then we dip. 2, we dip. 3, we dip. 4, we dip. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna be doing that, turning around as we go. We're gonna be going like lowering our body. So let's step over to that side, 1 up, 1 down, and 1 dip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have enough space here to make the 8, but let's just try it again. I'm gonna walk forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 dip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 dip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing to the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 dip. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1 dip. 2 dip. 3 dip. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Breathe in. Shake your legs. Now we're gonna combine those two and do 4 on this side and 4 to this side. So it's going to be 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, other side, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. So we're only doing 4 to each side. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep breath. Shake your legs. All right, we're gonna add hands. We're not gonna be doing anything with our hands. They're just gonna be on a diagonal. When we go this way, we want them like this. When we turn to the other side, we want them like this. What you do want to make sure is that they're very, very straight, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3. One last time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's put together from the beginning the 1, 2, 3, 4, Thomas, Thomas. Then we go around and around. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toma, toma. And around. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toma, toma. And around. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. Okay, adding our Farapo here. So Farapo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 together. Right, to prepare for the next one, let's just start slow here, just practicing here. Gentle, gentle hip movement. Full weight on the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we begin dropping, shifting. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry about the direction, just do the direction that fits better to you. And 8. Let's do it again now, just a little faster. Just this part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 together. Breathe in, shake those legs. We're gonna put it all together. I'm sweating. Whew. I also have the lights, so I think that contributes to the heat. Okay, let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1. Dip. 2. Dip. Other side. 1. Dip. 2. Dip. And side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, it was 4. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around. 1. Dip. 2. Dip. 1. Dip. 2. Dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 2, 3, 4. Around. 1, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Good. Breathe in. Shake those legs. Oof. Okay, let's do a little bit of cool down. Bring your feet into your ankle into circles. Let's do the other side. Deep breath, switch sides. Do the other circle to the other side. Good. We're gonna lift our knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sure I'm not flashing. And other side. Okay, to the back. Other side. Okay, let's stretch the leg back. Flex this one and keep this one straight. Reach down. Okay, let's do the other side. Coming back up, let's open our legs a little bit and arch the spine. Just relax your back. Lift your tailbone because it's a stretch for your tailbone and your low back. And around your spine, tuck in, and slowly come back up. And now we go down again, arch the spine. Round. One more time, arch. Good, half chair pose. You can grab onto a wall if you need to. Bend this leg and just flex down. This will help with your knee, ankle, and hip. Let's hold here. And let's do the other side. Coming back to center. Let's do our hands. And let's do the other side. Good, hands on your hips, open the legs slightly. Stretch out to the side. We're gonna make sure that we're taking care of our muscles all around the hips. Our psoas, our low back, front, our abs. Let's do the other side. And of course our knees, but we already did all that stretching. That was bringing our knee muscles into place already. Okay, deep inhale. And we're done. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.